Verifying your bank account on Payhip is essential for receiving payments. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Payhip account. Access your Payhip account by entering your credentials on the Payhip website. Ensure you have your login information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option, usually found in the top menu or sidebar. Click on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Payment Settings. In the Account Settings menu, find and select the Payment Settings section. This is where you will manage your payment methods and bank account information. Step 4. Enter your bank account information. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank account information, review everything to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, submit the information for verification. You may receive a confirmation email or notification regarding the status of your verification. Completing these steps will help you verify your bank account on Payhip, allowing you to receive payments smoothly. If you encounter any issues, consult Payhip support resources for assistance.